Forget everything you thought you knew about safe hunting rifles. SHOT Show 2026 just dropped a lineup so polarizing it's splitting the community in half. We're talking about semi-auto magnums that shouldn't exist, lever guns that think they're AR-15s, and a 4-pound mountain rifle that defies the laws of physics. If you're still carrying your granddad's woodstock bolt gun, you're about to feel very, very left behind. Let's get into the 12 rifles that are actually worth your time this year. Number 12, Bear Creek Arsenal BC8 HuntMaster. We're starting with the ultimate shock factor. Bear Creek Arsenal just did the unthinkable. They've brought a semi-auto 300 Win Mag to the masses for an MSRP of just $1,989. Most manufacturers are terrified of putting magnum pressure into an AR platform, but the BC8 HuntMaster doesn't care about your safety concerns. It feeds from a massive 15-round magazine and features a right-side charging handle that feels more like a bolt action than a buffer tube. It's heavy, it's loud, and it's arguably the most aggressive hog slayer ever built. Is it a genius innovation or a disaster waiting to happen? The internet is already fighting about it, which means you probably want one. Number 11, Henry Lever Action Supreme. This is the viral trend that won't stop appearing in your feed. Henry has officially killed the traditionalist vibe with the Supreme. It's a lever action, sure, but it feeds from standard AR-15 magazines. Read that again. At an MSRP of $1,360, you're getting the speed of a lever gun with the capacity and reload speed of a modern sporting rifle. With a match-grade trigger and a sub-MOA guarantee, this isn't just a cowboy toy. It's the ultimate crossover for the hunter who wants tactical utility without the scary black rifle look. It's weird, it's fast, and it's the most talked-about gun on the floor. Number 10. Ruger American Gen 2 Patrol. Ruger took their fan favorite and made it meaner. The Gen 2 American was already a hit, but the 2026 Patrol variant, priced at a budget-friendly $769 MSRP, is exactly what the short barrel squad has been begging for. We're looking at a 16-inch bull contour barrel, pre-threaded for your favorite suppressor, and a splatter paint stock that actually has some grip to it. It's rugged, and in .308 or 7mm PRC, it is the ultimate truck gun. It's not trying to be a pretty safe queen. It's a tool designed to be thrown in the back of a UTV and used. Number 9. Browning BAR MK4. The legendary comeback is officially here, and it's a middle finger to everyone who said semi-auto hunting rifles were dead. But quality like this doesn't come cheap, with an MSRP starting at $1,999 for the DBM speed models. The BAR MK4 isn't just a facelift, it's a total mechanical overhaul. Browning has finally threaded the barrel into the receiver, bolt-action style, to squeeze out precision that the old bars could only dream of. They've added a 10-round detachable box magazine and a short-stroke gas piston that makes a .30-06 feel like a light breeze. It's the perfect blend of 1960s soul and 2026 tech. If you're hunting in thick timber where a fast follow-up shot is life or death, this is the apex predator. Number 8. Bergara Premier Cima Pro. Next up is the high-tech beauty that looks like it was stolen from a NASA laboratory, carrying a heavy-hitting MSRP of $3,099. The Bergara Premier Cima Pro is a masterclass in carbon fiber. We aren't just talking about a wrap. The stock and the cure barrel are built using an advanced autoclave curing process that makes them impossibly rigid and light. Tipping the scales at just 5.5 pounds, it's designed for the hunter who counts every ounce, but refuses to compromise on a sub-MOA guarantee. With a stainless steel premier action and a TriggerTech trigger, this is custom-level performance for the guy who is willing to pay for perfection. Number 7. Weatherby Mark V Backcountry Capra. If the Bergara is light, the Weatherby MK4 Backcountry Capra is practically a ghost, and it has a price tag that will haunt your bank account at $3,499 MSRP. This is the Dream Gun Flex of SHOT Show 2026. Starting at an insane 4 pounds, it's the lightest production bolt-action rifle on the planet. To get there, Weatherby machined the MK4 action out of titanium and swapped the floor plate for a blind magazine. They even used a 3D printed honeycomb recoil pad to keep your shoulder from disintegrating. It's expensive, it's elite, and it's built for the 1% of hunters who climb mountains until their lungs burn. Number 6. Seekins Precision Havak PH3. This is the Precision Pro that's making custom gunsmiths nervous, and it carries an MSRP of $1,895. The PH3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a full-on assault on the high-end market. It features a new 3-lug action with a 60-degree bolt throw that is so smooth it feels like it's sliding on ball bearings. But the real kicker, the quick-change barrel system. You can swap from a 6.5 Creedmoor to a 300 Win Mag in your garage with nothing but a Torx wrench. Combine that with an integrated 20 MOA rail and a carbon fiber reinforced stock, and you have a rifle that outspecs guns twice its price. It's the smart man's custom rifle, and at under $2,000, it's a serious threat to the status quo. Number 5. Savage Axis 2 Pro. We've spent years calling the Savage Axis a budget gun, but with an MSRP of $629, Savage is punching way above its weight class. They didn't just slap a new coat of paint on it, they redesigned the ergonomics with a vertical grip and ambidextrous palm swells that actually fit a human hand. You're getting a spiral-fluted threaded barrel and a gunmetal bronze Cerakote finish that looks like it belongs on a $2,000 rig. Oh, and it still comes with the legendary AccuTrigger. This is the budget hero of 2026 because it proves you don't need to spend 3 months' rent to get a sub-MOA rifle that looks this good in your trophy photos. Number 4. Christensen Arms Evoke. Christensen Arms is known for $3,000 carbon fiber masterpieces, so when they announced a rifle for an MSRP of just $898, the industry stopped moving. The Evoke is their luxury entry-level play, and it's a direct shot at Tikka and Ruger. It uses a stainless steel suppressor-ready barrel and a Trigger-Tech trigger, features usually reserved for their elite models. It's built on a 700 pattern action, meaning the aftermarket support is infinite. Is it a real Christensen if it doesn't have a carbon-wrapped barrel? That's the debate currently raging in the comments, but at under $1,000, most hunters won't care. It's the smartest way to put a premium name in your gun safe.
Number 3. CVA Cascade Caliber Rimfire. Most rimfires feel like toys. This one feels like a threat. At an MSRP of just $399, the practical trainer is CVA's calculated move to dominate the .22 LR market. They've essentially built the little brother to their centerfire hunting rifles, using the same ergonomics so your practice actually translates to the field. We're talking about an 18-inch threaded barrel and a 10-round rotary magazine that is, get this, fully compatible with Ruger 1022 mags. It weighs a mere 4.75 pounds, making it the ultimate tool for high-volume predator control or teaching a new hunter how to handle a real rifle without the recoil flinch. It's cheap to shoot, terrifyingly accurate, and proves that rimfire doesn't have to mean low quality. Number 2. Franchi Momentum Elite .400 Legend. If you live in a straight wall-only state, you know the struggle of carrying a rifle that looks like a high school shop project. Franchi just ended that with the Specialist, and they did it for an MSRP of $979. This is the first time the .400 Legend, a cartridge designed to drop whitetails like a sack of hammers, has been put into a rifle this sexy. We've got a Patriot Brown Cerakote finish, Franchi's Biome camo, and a muzzle brake that comes standard. It's compact enough for a tight tree stand, but carries enough energy to flatten a buck at 200 yards. It's the rifle that finally makes straight wall hunting look like a professional operation. Number 1. Browning X-Bolt 2 Western Hunter. This is it, the big finale. The original X-Bolt was the king, but the X-Bolt 2 is the god-tier successor, with the Western Hunter model coming in at an MSRP of $1,529. The Western Hunter spec is the peak of the 2026 lineup. They've redesigned the receiver with a beefier raceway for a bolt throw that is literally smooth as butter. But the real game changer? The Vari-Tech stock. You can adjust the length of pull, the comb height, and even the grip angle to fit your body perfectly. Top it off with the new DLX trigger and a belled muzzle for 5/8 by 24 suppressor threading, and you have the most versatile hunting machine ever built. It's the gold standard. It's the finale. It's the reason you're going to be checking your bank account tonight. SHOT Show 2026 proved one thing: the gap between budget and custom is officially gone. Whether you're eyeing that $1,989 Bear Creek Magnum or the $3,499 Weatherby Ghost, the gear has never been more extreme. But now, I want to hear from you. Did Browning just kill the custom rifle market with the X-Bolt 2, or are you still taking the Henry Supreme for the vibes? Drop a comment below with the one you'd actually put your money on. Hit that subscribe button for more SHOT Show 2026 coverage, and I'll see you in the next one.